The all-new 2025 Hankook Ventus Evo has arrived, challenging the well-established Michelin Pilot Sport 5 in the ultra-high-performance summer tyre segment. Can Hankook's latest innovation shake things up, or Michelin's experience keep it on the top? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Auto-Built Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Ventus Evo stops 0.5 meters shorter. That's a 1% advantage for Hankook. In wet handling, the Ventus Evo maintained a slight edge at 73.5 km per hour average speed, just 0.1 km per hour faster than the Pilot Sport 5. An almost negligible difference. In straight-line aquaplaning, both tyres clear water nearly identical speeds, with the Ventus Evo just 0.1 km per hour ahead, and almost negligible differences. A tight battle, but every fraction counts in wet conditions. In dry braking, the Pilot Sport 5 stops 0.5 meters shorter. That's a 1% advantage for Michelin. In dry handling, the Ventus Evo is 0.4 km per hour faster at an average speed of 120.9 km per hour, though the difference is nearly 0%. Michelin excels in braking, while Hankook holds a slight edge in handling speed. When it comes to durability, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 lasts 10,730 km longer, a 21% advantage in longevity. The Ventus Evo trades some durability for better wet grip, but Michelin's optimized compound ensure a long lifespan without major performance sacrifices. Both tyres score equally in subjective comfort. However, the Ventus Evo is 1.2 dB quieter, giving it a 2% advantage in exterior noise levels. A small win for Hankook in reducing exterior noise. The Hankook Ventus Evo has a 0.26 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, a 3% advantage over the Pilot Sport 5. This means improved fuel efficiency over long distances. When it comes to pricing, Hankook takes the lead. The Hankook Ventus Evo costs 18% less compared to the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. So, which tyre should you choose? The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 excels in mileage, braking, and balanced performances, making it a great option for those who want a well-rounded, long-lasting tyre. On the other hand, the Hankook Ventus Evo delivers slightly better wet braking and lower rolling resistance, while having a budget-friendly price, making it a strong alternative.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.